Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Volkswagen, one of the world's largest automakers with many brands under its umbrella, said in a statement that it is in talks with Tesla about installing ports in its EVs compatible with Tesla's plugs. Two former Bank of England officials said the central bank was too slow to spot the signs of inflation's post-pandemic surge, adding to pressure on the BOE, which is battling the fastest price growth of the world's big rich economies. Crypto trading volumes rose in June for the first time in 3 months amid optimism following the filing of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund proposals by asset manager BlackRock and other large institutions.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's trade balance will be released at 0130 GMT. Australia's exports at 0130 GMT, Japan's overall household spending at 2330 GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's labour cash earnings at 2330 GMT. The US ISM Services PMI at 1400 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.